Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm going to tell you why you should never use Chat GPT to write your research paper, school assignments or homework. Because your college professor or school teacher can paste it back into Chat GPT and simply say, "Hey Chat GPT, did you write it?" And trust me, it freaking remembers everything. It does. And will reply, "Yes, I did." But there is a way out. There is a way around it, to be honest. I'm going to tell you a quick hack. Go to wordai.com and paste whatever ChatGPT wrote for you. What WordAI will do is humanize it, change it a bit, and trust me, ChatGPT will never know. That's a quick hack. So, for those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. And try this hack, and let me know in the comment box. See you in the next video.